guys, it's Clara. It's 11 o'clock at night, getting the workout in late today. So it turns out my bike has updated and I have the lane brake. So I'm just gonna share that with you. This is under the more rides at the bottom. So this is fitness meets gaming. So if you don't know, this is like a video game for Peloton. Let's learn to play. Okay, let's start that. Feels like I'm on an Xbox or something. Whoa, hello, music. Okay, so move your wheel with the resistance knob. Okay. So it looks like I'm on a middle resistance of 38, output 70, 75, 71, cadence of 66. Okay, so 3 different resistance lanes. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Step 2 of 5, hit beats to earn points. Okay, so I see that in this lane, here come the beats. So I'm gonna hit those, and I see it's in the second lane for the next one. Whoa, oh no, I went too far. Oh, now I gotta go back again. I think just getting used to the resistance wheel and how far that goes is gonna be the, I'm going too far. Step 3, breakers. Change breakers with output. So pedal hard to increase output and change the breaker. Oh, okay, so during this point, I pedal hard. Yay, I got it. I really hope this camera isn't too wobbly. I should have put this on a stand. Okay, 4 of 5. Stay within the specified cadence range to earn points for every beat. Going faster or slower won't award points. Oh, okay, so it gives me a range to work in or to stay in for that resistance. Okay, that's kind of cool. 5 of 5. Choose which moment to complete. Sometimes moments appear in 2 or more lanes at the same time. Oh my goodness, all sorts of options. Hip hop gold, oh good. Rock riot, oh my gosh, Alanis Morissette, what? So interesting. Chill EDM cool down, ooh, that might be kind of nice. There's a Tabata, pure EDM. I would totally do those. Low impact EDM. So that looks like the longest rides are, let's see, 20. Nope, there's a 30 up here. Looks like they're mostly 10 and 15 minutes. So it shows you the music. Wow, already 68,000 people, more than, have done this one. And I haven't done any. This is my rides, 10 minutes. Oh, there's a difficulty level. Let's do intermediate. I'm gonna go way down here. This resistance feels too low. I feel like I'm flying off the bike because I don't have anything to push against. I swear, hitting those triangles is really fun. The kid in me is kind of loving this. Okay, let's see what happens at the end here. Level complete. So, okay, it looks like I missed a few streams, 1 or 2 beats. It's not, you know, the best on the leaderboard, but that's all right. I had some fun. I burned some calories. This is chill EDM cool down at intermediate. So now that I've tried 2 rides with Peloton Lanebreak, I have to say I really liked it. It's better than I expected. Like taking a surreal ride on a velodrome in space. I really like the music and the imagery, especially with the triangles that you have to speed up to break, it really gives you incentive to drive up your cadence. And you know it's for a super short period of time, so you really like go for it. Would I do this instead of classes? Maybe occasionally. Every now and then I do scenic rides, and sometimes I'll listen to the music, other times I'll turn the music down and just play my own via the phone. Sometimes I will even turn the lights off so it's super dark in here, like in a cycling studio at the gym. Yeah, this would be a great kind of thing if you just kind of want to turn off the talking of the instructor, which I a lot of the time like the talking, especially with different personalities. Cody always makes me laugh. Jen is so relatable. I think it's good to kind of vary up your routine a bit. And the thing is, if you hate this, you don't have to do it. I mean, there's so many other things on the Peloton that you could do. And it's not even like on the first screen when you log in every day. So yeah, let me know if you've tried this yet. I know for some people this is going to seem kind of ridiculous to use a video game kind of layout, but I love that they're trying different kinds of things and trying to reach different kinds of people with, you know, different moods from day to day. I like choices, let me just say. So let me know if you tried it and what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.